Hello, in this video I'll show you how to reset the inspection light or InSP on your car, so stay tuned. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and that's it. Let's start it. So first thing, you have to turn on the lights, then press the brake pedal, and then you have to keep pressed press it button. Then let's turn the ignition on and wait. That's it. Now turn off the lights and turn off the ignition. Turn on again. Job done. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.